So in addition to resources and reserves, we know that IAMGOLD actually produces metal. We capture all of that information as well, again, on a 100% basis, as well as a corporate level basis, as well as an attributional basis. So we do that again for the last 5 years. We're able to benchmark it across its peer group. The peer group, again, defined as any company that produces gold. And here's another breakdown in terms of assets contributing to the company's overall production profile. We not only capture the production information, we also capture the annual costs. So cash costs, all-in sustaining costs. If all-in costs are available, we try to capture that as well. And we're working on building out a nice cost curve where we can see, how IAMGOLD fares across peers and peer groups. Now, we not only do that on an annual basis, we also pull out the same information on a quarterly basis. So we focus on the last 6-7 quarters, starting from 2020 Q1 all the way to present time. Again, quarterly production costs. We're able to build out these cost curves. Now, this is at a corporate level, this deep dive. We can also do this, again, at a project level. And so I know Jess has spoken about the Côté project. So if you want to go into the Côté project, we provide the same kind of information.